If you are the shy type and have been thinking about starting vlogging, this is the perfect camera for you. Insta360 Go Ultra, this tiny camera that shoots stunning 4K footage at up to 60 frames per second. It's got a bigger sensor, a powerful AI chip, and the best part, you can film in both vertical and horizontal. Whether you're posting to YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, you're covered. What makes it even cooler, the camera is magnetic, yep, no tripod needed. You can attach it almost anywhere and easily capture those low-key everyday moments without feeling awkward or drawing attention. The Insta360 Go Ultra performs really well even in low light, plus it supports micro SD cards up to 2 TB of its storage. It's a waterproof up to 10 meters and the battery lasts way longer too. It also comes with some super useful accessories that let you create really unique shots like this magnetic pendant that gives you awesome hands-free POV footage. What I love the most aside from the amazing quality is the flip-up screen. You can actually see yourself while filming. It's a touchscreen so you can scroll through setting right on the camera. Wow! So if you're thinking about getting a camera or upgrading and want something small, convenient, and great for capturing unique angles, this is your sign to grab the Insta360 Go Ultra. Use my code for 50 AED off at insta360.ae.